Hi guys, it's nice to be back and I've officially hidden the money before I even started this video. And also the thing is I can't tell you which park I'm in. So that's why I haven't told you in any of these videos I ever made. Bye. Here.
You need to hide it as people will know it.
Lots of this weird things.
And put the rocks.
Now I need to find even more rocks.
No, I think that's enough.
But I need to also add more sticks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I think that's enough, Asif. That's enough. Oh, no one can see it. Good.
But I can still see.
No, don't worry. Asif, boy, show them.
Just a little bit more.
All right, done.
Little bit.